Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on MetaMask. So in order to buy crypto on MetaMask, first thing first, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, you'll need to go ahead and open up your MetaMask application. So once you're logged into your MetaMask account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now you'll need to go ahead and click the buy and sell button located in the top left hand side corner. Next page is going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap the trade button located right at the bottom, and then you'll need to click the buy button once you've done that. Next page, you need to go ahead and select the reason. So go through it and select the reason accordingly. You have to add a payment method. So select either one of it and click the continue button located right at the bottom. Here you'll be asked to enter in the exact cryptocurrency that you wish to buy, and after that you also need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay for it or that you wish to buy. After you're done entering the amount, click on get code located right at the bottom. So lastly, you'll have to go through all of these information. So right over here, if you're doing the transaction for the very first time, then you might be asked to verify your account, so you have to go through it, and that's basically how you can buy crypto on MetaMask. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.